Hello teacher, this is my homework about alphabet IPM. Let's practice the alphabet IPM. We have here some example. Mr. Green works with my uncle. They'll always play tennis on Sunday. Repeat again. They always play tennis on Sunday. He studied for his English class. We eat together every day. She goes church every day. She reads the newspaper every day. We come to school by bus. We come to school by bus. You work very hard. You work very hard. She likes to sit in sun. She likes to sit in sun. We play in the park every day. We play in the park every day. He watched his son in the park. He watched his son in the park. We always try to arrive on time. We always try to arrive on time. We always walk to school. He does the work to two people. I have something so important to tell you. When you see in front to the word 2 points, you have to make the long sound. Long sound, never forget it. This is all. I hope this homework can help you in something. And for you teacher, only I like to say you sorry by my mistake. Thanks.